Ban penyiar ke jing Syakri Sumarpang haga jela o menteri rang ba ka jela o Konrad ke sangma haga si balang jogota yo ulapen bena ba ka sarkar jela kalamang nyupusan klur tengka na ka benta ban pen bha ya kumba sispa prapun teli ki jaka ajing sumar iba kentup ye ki public health center but community health center ki badan hakal leng ke jela Meghalaya. U Konrad ke sangma habai kran bikinang patai kubor la pentip ba ka sarkar kala shim ye kani karai kadai badan ki jaka sumar ki bela dan mentala palat arpusan snem kim shim na yo jing yarap watang si tengka ban pen bahani maramot yaki uang ba leng ba kani ka pisa ka balong nyu pusan klur tengka katenat ka koi ka kya kan maramot bat pen bah yaki PHC yaki CHC la kalong ha ka ban pen biang ya ka boarding electric ko ombam omdi ki jakasa jonginong tre ki doktor ki lenti ki singkien bat ki ki jingdan kam u menteri rang ba ula betharu ya katenat ka koi kya ban pen kre ki jingdan kam ha ka jing penlut pensep ya ka wei pakawei ka jaka ajing sumar khnang ba on yo ban pentre kam no mardor ya kani ka program ula pen pau ki jing kermen bahakini ki laipos ki ban wan katenat kan sala ban sedang maramot no ya ki PHC bagi CHC ha ka wat ka banengkong bat hakawat ka baar ka sarkar ka temu ban kenti ki jaka ajing sumar kum ki sub center bat ye ki civil hospital nadu ki intensive care unit bat ka jingdan kam ban bu shushu ye ki nong tre ki jaka ba per
that even before the COVID situation we had decided that we'll be investing more on the health infrastructure especially in the rural areas so after going through the entire details we realized that the 186 different PHCs and the CHCs that are there are some PHCs around the state which have not been renovated even for the past 25 years. Not a single rupee has been invested in the infrastructure. So this is a very serious situation, and that is why we have decided that roughly about 75 crores, the exact amount will be worked out when the detailed estimates of each of the locations comes up. We will invest in the PHCs, CHCs to improve the overall infrastructure and renovation, including power supply, including water supply, including the last mile connectivity, including quarters for the staff and the doctors. All these aspects will be looked into. And as I was mentioning, and roughly an estimate of 75 crores will be required. And we have agreed to that today, and we have asked the health department to come out with the details, and this implementation of this will start at the earliest. I'm hopeful that within the next 30 days we should be able to start the entire process of this renovation of the PHCs and CHCs in the first phase, and I'm confident that we'll be able to complete this work within this financial year.